Hey, welcome back, guys. It's day 2. We have a sea day here on Harmony of the Seas, and we're having breakfast at Central Park. So if you want to avoid the crowds at the Windjammer, come to Central Park because there's hardly anyone here, and you get a decent breakfast. So plus, it's really nice. We got plants, birds, fake birds. They pipe in through the speakers. So, hey, this sounds real. See, this is what I got. Got DIY bagel here. Onion bagel with it's garlic and onion, cream cheese.
Garlic and chive.
Garlic and chive.
More
All right. Yeah, it is not the same. Salmon, onion, and then I got a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. As you can see, Claire's making hers.
Gluten-free bagel.
Oh yeah, she did good. This time they actually got the bagel right away.
And she said, yeah, we have bagel, and I've never seen a bagel on board, so it's exciting.
Nice. So check it
I
out.
did the garlic and chive, cream cheese, lemon, capers, salmon, onion. I like to get the grab-and-go fruit, so watermelon and a banana.
And then coffee.
And coffee.
Here's Claire doing her Royal Caribbean artistry napkin folding.
artistry.
Yes.
The only one I can remember.
Folding her.
When we did it on Grandeur.
With Cynthia.
Yeah.
Didn't we see Cynthia in Harmony?
Yeah. We saw her on Voyager and Harmony in the same year.
Oh yeah, we saw her 3 times.
She was on the cruise director team.
There you go, a rose. Gonna leave it for our guy here, helping clean up the table. Cool. Time to go play hot tamales. It better be hot, better not be cold tamales like yesterday. We're walking through Central Park and Claire kicked a duck.
Well, it was on the floor. I didn't see it. And then I heard the and I looked down and we were by some plants that had like a yellow flower to them. So I thought that was what I kicked, but I was like, no, that's too loud. It's a tiny duck.
Tiny duck. As we're watching other kids duck hunt. Oh look, we're sitting right by these heart sunglasses.
Valentine's Day is this week, so.
It's Friday. Today's Monday. Today's Monday, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, Valentine's Day is Friday.
So I've been looking around, trying to find a good place to re-hide this little guy. And Michael noticed that everybody is looking down in Central Park, like in the mulch around the plants. And so we were thinking, well, where can you hide it where it's up? And I look up from my seat.
Yeah. Check this location out. Just
It's a little
hanging from the tree. Oh, that's a different kind of duck.
I know, it's like a cartoonish duck.
Can you even see that? Check that out. It's a funny looking duck.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a TEMU duck.
TEMU duck.
That's so funny.
So yeah, here's a trick.
Yeah, put it up high because I was sitting right here for a few minutes and it was just right there.
Or if you're walking around duck hunting, look up. Don't look down. Everyone's looking down. Just look up.
Oh, he has a little salute.
Oh, what does he have?
He's like saluting his arm, his wing.
It's funny. Keychain. So now we're gonna be everyone. Now we're gonna be
I'm never
looking
the
up.
one that finds the ducks. Now I have two.
And we're just sitting here on this bench, and she just randomly looks up. Oh. By the way, there's these fancy stores here, like Cartier. Has anyone bought anything in these stores? Well, comment down below if you have, because I haven't. We haven't.
Oh, maybe they use this as their ball drop
I don't know.
with the countdown.
Anybody know what this is on the what is this called? Rising Tide bar?
It says Happy New Year. That was
But there's also
a couple months ago.
well, it's Happy New Year, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, and Halloween.
But the Crown and Anchor says Happy New Year.
Oh, it does. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Let me see what you're talking about.
Interesting. Back out of the room after duck hunting. Ooh, what happened? What did we get?
An elephant.
Elephant with a little duck on its head now. That's the normal duck, not the TEMU duck. We're at Sorrento's, but it's super busy and loud because there's like a parade here in the promenade. So we found some standing room only. It's Claire cutting up her gluten-free pizza. And then I got just a couple pieces of pepperoni. But it's loud, super loud. Hey, found the parts of what we saw on the Rising Tide bar. Oh, look at this. It's like a storage room. Got a parade here. Here's more other items. Look what we got.
Yeah, we ran it back up to the room and something was left for us. What's your vote, cookies or fruit?
Cookies.
Okay, I'm thinking it's cookies too.
Oh, it's not cookies.
Little pastry things.
Whoa, what is?
Whoa, this is like a cream puff. It looks like. Red velvet cake.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's cool. And then chocolate covered strawberry.
Yeah.
So what did the card say?
Compliments of the chef.
For what?
Thank you for being loyal to Royal.
Oh, is it Crown and Anchor thing?
I guess so, but we haven't. Maybe it's because it's a longer cruise. Like we've never gotten anything like this.
No, never.
Normally we're getting kicked off the ship when we get on. So.
That's cool.
It
All
smells really good.
I guess. Wait, I guess it's our finger food because they didn't leave any
Yeah,
utensils.
no utensils or anything.
Cutlery. What do you guys call them? Utensils or cutlery?
Or silverware.
Oh, I guess there's that too. All right, what are you gonna try?
Well,
I guess chocolate covered strawberry.
Yeah, I'm limited to that, but I'm perfectly okay with that.
All right.
You have to try the others.
Yep.
Give a review.
Cool. Oh, what do you try?
Chocolate covered strawberry. Mm-hmm. Very good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna try. You said try it all.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Okay, first up is this puffball thing. I don't know what these are called. Cream puff? I think it's cream puff. I don't know about that one. That was okay. I think these are from Windjammer. Now, red velvet something, right? Didn't really have a taste. That wasn't that great. Now, what is this? It smells familiar.
Maybe like it's not tiramisu.
It's probably tres leches, right?
No.
No. Not tiramisu?
No, because that's not a lady thing.
What is this, guys? I don't know. That one's the best out of the three. I don't know about the other. The other two weren't that good. But thanks, Royal, for little treats. Pretty sure from Windjammer. Oh well. It was really nice though. Okay, so took a nap. Got dressed. Took a long nap actually. And now we're on the way to the casino to get a drink before dinner. Drink secured. Now dinner time. It's French night. Here, the main dining room. So here's the menu. Starters are here. Got the Caesar salad like I did yesterday. Claire got the
Escargot.
escargot. She's been afraid of this thing a few times. Now she always only gets it.
Yeah, I was afraid of the texture, and then I tried it once, and I was like, man, with the butter and the herbs, garlic, it's
Yeah.
excellent.
I think I've only got it once.
I love it.
Main course. I got the beef bourguignon, and Claire got the
Beef tenderloin.
beef tenderloin. That what you normally get on French night?
It's really good. The sauce is really good.
Okay, we got dessert, and we both got creme brulee. See, ours mine. Claire got hers. She's been wanting this for a while.
Yeah, Utopia didn't have creme brulee at all.
Oh, yeah, they had that. What was it called?
The crema catalana,
Yeah.
which is good, but not creme brulee.
Okay, so give it a taste. How does it compare?
This is one of my favorites. Like, it's a great portion of the like silkiness and sweetness of the cream with that brulee shell. I just love it.
Yeah. Had a good crust to it, or not,
Yeah, it's a good crust.
not crust, but shell or
Yeah.
caramelization?
Yes, the caramelization is good.
Well, that's fun. We went to go to the hostess stand at the casino, and we were given lucky ducks. Little tiny one. I got a blue one. There, got the little pink one.
Very cute.
So, really cool.
Yes.
Didn't have to go duck hunting.
They came to us.
Yes. Well, guys, we just spent quite a bit of time at Scooter Bar this evening, so we're going to be calling it a night. It's been a nice long sea day. Very relaxing. Well, like I said, that's it for first sea day, day 2. What's tomorrow? Do we have anything special tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Taylor Swift trivia.
Oh no. Guess I need to study. Phew. You've been studying for like weeks.
Yeah. Because it's song, apparently it's song name and title, or sorry, and album title. And I'm not very good with albums, so it's been a lot of studying, but we'll see how it goes.
I won't get any of them right, unfortunately. Maybe 1 or 2, but we give it a shot. Cool. We'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye.